They know what to do.
Yeah, of course.
Northwest Club. I don't know if you're gonna go.
Who is that?
Wait, I'll check.
Oh, they disappeared.
Ah,
Northeast, there's one guy, Jay.
Cracker ata. I think that's Cracker. I can't see Cracker right now.
Too far.
They're waiting for Cracker. The fuck?
1 hour defense again.
We food now.
No. Don't do
Not
anything.
yet guys, so early. So early pa. Gonna be 30 minutes fight.
Ah,
Probably.
1 hour. We can hold well.
You don't need to peek. Keep dying.
Last minute, for me. Last minute. Don't move around.
30 minutes yan. Tagyan 30 minutes hammering.
Saan yung pinopokpok nila? Anong side yung pinopokpok nila dyan, eh?
This is
Hindi pa.
MS Motors regroup.
I think they're waiting for someone. What the fuck?
Bitaw burger.
Saka extra giga. Next time.
Sana makuha natin yung Basilis.
I don't have balista.
Naiihi ako.
Oh. We have.
There we have one ballis.
Cracker might...
Engage on Battlemount East over.
Yo, guys, spread up. East and west. West means south over here. East will be northeast over the wall. If you're next to another D tank, don't stack.
Let me check.
Nagsasalita si Pinchi? Hindi ko marinig si Pinchi ah.
No, he's not saying anything.
Wala. Ready guys. 15 minutes left.
What? They waiting.
Terry.
The shield. I think they only have 2 gears. That's why they're saving time.
Stupid Doki Fafa.
They were gonna fast clear the first gate.
Yeah.
That regroup can play their role.
Is T5 wall on it. Guys, on the Behemoth 5.
Happy day bomb, ha? May happy day bomb. Diyan may pasabi, happy day bomb in northeast.
Happy day ba northeast?
Okay.
Masakit kasi to kasi may DE tayo.
CD.
Second.
Ito naman kahit
Heal me
killing
please,
talaga
I'm low, healer. Pay attention, look at my HP,
Ready.
He's stepping up, yeah.
Anything happen northeast?
Nothing.
There's
Just
bombing.
some random
Oh, Bassi.
threat.
East over wall, No. Not yet.
Kaya na, may na ako 40% pa.
Ready, 3, 2, 1, battle mount down. Come back.
If you're doing nothing, you can just repair the walls.
CD.
Five. Ready.
Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. I miss! No! Oh, Western retook the riverbed. Nice. They're just here for content. Oh, in this guy, 3, 2, 1, hit him! Go, kill him!
Oh, come on.
Hey, they're walking in.
He's stepping up now, guys.
Northeast stepping up. East and west. Look at positions. I'm on the east. I'm on the. Sorry, I'm on the west.
15
Close
seconds.
the gate.
I'm on the west. Spread out. Spread.
10 seconds.
OC now, CD.
Good OC.
Ready?
Jeff, can you mark Shutaku on regroup? He's the caller.
I don't have party lead. Gemline, your lead.
East over wall now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit him.
Get ready. GA the back and push back. Push them back. BMS. Yep, good.
Lusaw ako, go.
Oh my god.
One bite.
We just lost one guy.
Ano gamit nila 3
Damnation.
What the hell?
Ready?
Look northeast.
Perma fake with me.
Oh, Kaiman, don't throw that thing randomly. Do it only after our engage.
Everyone, 3, 2, 1. Now hit him.
Okay, get ready to defend.
Come back, guys. Come back.
Defend now.
Offensive fallen.
Yo, if you're D-tank, careful on the southeast, you might get hit from there.
Shipper.
Shaper east.
CD.
5.
D-tank repair wall.
Ready?
50% on gate. Party 2 only. Party 2 dead. Defense party 2. Party 2 hit with me only. Party 2, 3, 2, 1. Party 2 only.
Defend.
Careful.
Party 1, 3, 2, 1. Go. Party 1.
Yeah, good try.
How kind man die? BMS.
You need to throw it
6%.
right after engage.
Repair.
After we come back. They're gonna try to headbutt, because they can't beat our range.
Shaper.
J them.
Guys, this is the same. You cannot get hit by Shaper. Go lang. Yo, look on the gate.
Bam.
3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Hit it up. Bam.
Step up, repair the walls if you can.
20% wall.
Oh wow, what's getting
Once they
good.
break this wall, they will probably push. So careful.
One broken. One wall broken.
They're hitting the front.
5.
Ricky is getting hurt by what card though?
Party 2 only on the gate. Party 2 only. 3, 2, 1. Party 2 only. Come back now. Oh, don't die.
I don't know what.
Kaya.
Wild cards ganking on our zone though. Cannot go out.
Hey, wait lang. This way.
CC, your Regia's getting ganked
Okay, go
in the next zone.
Don't get
They're
down,
standing
don't get
outside.
down.
They're standing outside the HO.
What the fuck?
Alright. Over here, east and west. So east side will be on the northeast, west will be on the southwest.
Really?
I'm on the west.
BJFK, what the fuck is... No.
All race 24. All race 24.
Okay.
Hey, follow the group. Follow crown. Check where you are. Do you see the crown?
North side.
Sabi mo
I'm on the-
BJFK,
It's mounted northeast. All race walking southeast already.
I'm on the southwest. You guys should be the rest of you. Check your position.
They lag. I think BJ lag.
I think
All race, we're gonna fuck the regroup.
Come Messi.
We're fighting.
Yo, we got a chance. Come out southeast. Come out southeast.
East side
Come out southeast. Come out southeast. Come northeast.
Click out.
Use your boots, use your boots, get forward. Use your boots, get forward, get forward, get forward, get forward, get forward, get forward. Look northwest and southeast. Look northwest and southeast. They're looking in southeast, southeast looking.
Okay.
I'm going to watch north, I'm going to watch north, I'm going to watch
Towards the
north,
bridge.
I'm going to watch north.
Looking,
Everyone else
looking.
watch southeast, everyone watch southeast.
Come back.
Kailan, guys?
Northwest coming, northwest coming, northwest coming.
Looking.
Look inside on me. 5, 4,
Northwest looking, northwest looking.
1. Hit this. Come back.
Careful, careful, careful.
Ready, defend.
Defense keep looking southeast. Defense look southeast, look southeast, look southeast, look southeast.
Come back. So obvious. Stupid. So obvious.
Bam, hindi.
That's right. Come back.
Gemini just keep on looking for bombs. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
They don't have. I'm trying to find the bomb. They don't have bomb.
Alright.
One zerg.
Repair.
Check your positions. East and west, east and west, east and west. East and west, east and west.
Parilay ako. One chill here party in southeast, Jame. Southeast.
They're all rise.
Northwest all right.
If you're rigger, don't get down. You can go long way, bro.
Repair.
Oh, they're sleeping in southeast.
Yeah, I see them. Ready, SE over wall, SE
It should be
over
southeast.
wall now. 5, 4,
There you
3,
go.
2,
Change your position. Southwest and southeast. Southwest.
Looking.
The barrier shaper can reach out to Macrona.
Northeast looking. Nice. Bomb.
Shaper.
Engaging.
Yo, Shaper J.
I missed it.
All rise from east.
Go west side. Careful lang.
I stopped them. Fuck. They died.
Ready.
Wait, careful lang.
Check your positions. Northwest, southeast.
Huwag pa kang violence. Don't get gank. May ganker sa pinto, pre.
Regroup, moving southwest.
Yeah, I see them. Come west side.
You want to go out fight?
Not yet.
Yun,
Come southwest.
Skipping away from Rise.
Alright, home.
Boots up, go to the front. Boots up, go to the front. East and west.
Wildcards here.
I go west.
Purple bomb can reach you. Hold on, crown. Shaper cannot reach you. Blaster Q.
10 died.
All rise south.
All rise moving to south.
Watch out for the J. They might hit the J.
Alright, southeast.
Southeast.
Shaper.
Shaper, south, west.
Bonking
Okay,
gate southeast.
Gate, being bomb southeast. The east side, D-tanks to watch the gate. Check the gate health.
Step up southeast. A bit. On the gate now. Southeast on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Gemini, oh, you're dead? Gemini, can you pass me lead if you're dead? I need to find the Shaper.
Where's my debuff? No debuff.
I give you the party lead.
Alright.
CD.
Anyone got logs? Which one, what's the name of the Shaper?
Can't find them.
Fola
is
which word?
Hola.
Fola
Miss
which word?
Edge.
I don't hit all
I will fake. I don't hit.
Okay, check positions, northeast, southwest.
My side.
Careful on the big J.
Here come west.
Yung which word nila nasa east ha?
All rise east side bomb. Pago.
Hola.
East side already. Banking southeast.
Ready.
Ready, west side. West side edge. 3, 2, 1. Hit it now.
Throw everything, stop the engage. Throw everything.
CD.
15 seconds.
Okay.
Patanong nga Jamay kung ihitayin ng all rise is already in southeast.
All rise enemy right.
Hey, get southwest
Just
almost.
be careful.
We don't have handhold.
They're
Yeah,
bunking.
water.
They're bunking already.
They're in.
No, they're in all right.
Broken southeast. Yeah, they already
Broken
in.
southeast.
Delay them if they push. Delay them if they push. East side tanks. East side tanks. Step up. Step up. Second floor.
Sa atin to. Okay na yun.
Second floor. Step up. Second floor.
Click second floor. Where's Scripsy? I cannot see. Click.
Ako mag second floor. I need to be here.
They're facing alright.
Southwest broken. Southwest broken.
Click second.
Puta ina, mali pa yung nabili kong
Find me overboard.
Step up. Step up. Step up. Look northwest and southwest.
One overboard, hit me. Come back. CD.
10 seconds. Ready?
I think it's time to.
Don't freak out.
Alright, watch the south and the northwest of the gate. South and northwest of the gate. The bomber will be looking for us.
This way.
Get ready, defend.
Ready reel. 3, 2, 1. Hit it now.
Dep, you go south, Dep, okay? I'll help the
Yeah.
Zerg.
Okay. I'm staying here.
Step back. Ready, the front.
I mean south, sir. I mean
BMS.
south.
Hey, bomb southwest. Hey, bomber.
Kill.
Wow, one died.
Ready?
Yeah. Step out.
Yo, where's all the D-tanks watching northwest?
Click out fast.
Push up. Push up.
Deep.
Push up.
One is big.
We need to hold this. Now drop everything. Stop them. Drop everything.
Always going west.
They're from southwest.
Offensive guard on this.
All rise already southwest.
Yeah.
Out of you.
Go engage. CD.
Go see this way.
CD.
Okay, I'll be on the northwest.
I'm low. I left south. I left south. I'm low.
Vinci.
Oh, why you step out, bro? Stupid. Yo, come. Step up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it.
Watch out. Walk up. Drop your night armor. Let them push.
Flanking. Always flanking. East side.
East side.
Got you. Watching.
Watch all rise.
Okay, just one person watch all right is fine enough. It's just one choke.
I'm low. I need heals.
Rotate with someone else.
When I don't say, okay?
Going back.
Chiller looking.
Just wait.
Northeast. All rise moving up.
Yeah, I'm holding the banner.
Southeast moving all rise.
I'm holding the banner.
It's another block.
Defense, don't come. Fuck, they took it. Stupid.
Walking up. All right.
Up,
Yeah. Teka,
Nabi?
full lang, Carl.
Step back inside. Step back inside the territory.
Looking, engaging.
I'm on the west.
Yeah. Careful.
Not yet, there's second engage coming.
Go second floor.
Second engage coming.
Click second floor. Why you clear cowl? Sleepy.
We're taking long path to second floor.
Yeah.
Turning to south. Look here, south.
West rotating southeast. Southeast.
Yeah, it's okay. I see them. Find me.
Yep, it's cluster Q, ah.
Want us to click?
Yeah,
No.
I didn't set prio.
Yeah, prayo.
All rise fight.
Let me
Yung
change
click
fire.
out, find me. Come south. Find me. Fast. Faster. Find me.
I don't have time. I'll do it later on.
Find me. Fast. Come SE. Ready SE. Come deep SE. 5. Deep.
I'm ready to defend.
4.
One skin away.
South. 3.
I'm watching northeast. The rest of you defend southeast.
Cover clerical. 1. Hit it now. Go. Come back. Pass.
Watch southeast. Hold southeast.
I'm holding south.
Kill Jep.
Yeah,
All rise looking.
Oh fuck.
I stopped them.
Heal on Tron. Defensive on Tron. Nice. Come back.
IBMS them, IBMS
CD.
them.
I'm good.
Stay in northwest, yeah.
I stopped them.
Nice. Good job. I keep forgetting to mark.
Hold.
No.
Baitan.
Yeah.
Aftermath is
Stay inside.
or 6 o'clock.
You find me over wall. 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy.
Carry the hole.
Kill him. After clerical finish, 3, 2, 1. Finish it. Nice. Come back.
Uy, ako nakapatay.
Come back. Watch aftermath, please. Watch aftermath.
Oh, that was the NV.
Yeah.
So many shit happened.
Oh, that's the NV. Yo, I marked Rider in V83 with a shield. It's Mwa
Oh,
Owo.
steady.
Stay there. Don't follow me.
All rise straight southwest.
Yeah. I only want to hit fucking regroup.
All rise looking north.
All rise hit.
Yeah. Just don't get.
Second engage ready. All rise second engage ready. Looking.
Yeah. Stay inside lang.
It's fine. Gemini, can you go up to the wall on the east?
If you can regear from Porta, regear from
Shit.
Porta.
It's close.
Take the long route, don't go to basin in melt and wetland. There's ganker.
Sira yung gate ha, hindi tayo makapasok kapag nakasara yung gate.
Oasis Road is actually closer, yeah.
So I said.
Party 2, how many people?
No one died. Full.
Set cluster 1 all.
Yeah.
Come out.
I cannot.
What the fuck?
Come back. There,
Cluster set.
Cannot click.
Why?
Cannot click if it's
Open the gate. What the fuck?
No. Gate is broken. Just walk the other way. Gate broken.
You cannot click the tip.
Now you can, yeah.
Close.
Hey, close the gate, guys. Don't open it.
They're fighting. Ano, aftermath?
Don't open it.
Nakaka-bounce sa pad.
Guys, there's another way around the gate.
Not Gucci. Aftermath is not Gucci though.
Fighting there though.
Who's dying?
The bridge.
All rise.
So Fincher, I'm gonna go scout.
Yeah.
Chilio is dying.
Click out, guys. Come. Click out. Find me.
On ping front line. You're facing them southwest. Now they're backline now. You're facing them southwest backline. Aftermath. On bridge now. They're on the bridge.
Heal.
They're baited, boys.
I'm gonna GA the southwest bridge.
East side. Clear east side, ah.
Okay.
Regroup, purang ko to.
Touch the banner. Thank you. Hold here. Look inside.
They're
3,
fighting, maybe.
2, 1 on front.
I'll check the blood south.
What are they doing here?
Fighting.
Yeah. Scout.
Hold, don't cross the bridge.
They're fighting.
Follow Finchy.
Who's fighting?
They're fighting on the south choke. You see the south choke?
Support the
They're
banner.
fighting.
2 minutes, bro.
Still here
And then we can
versus.
go out. We hold the
Stay
banner.
with Crown. I'm gonna go walk around.
They're fighting. They're still fighting.
Just hold it.
Hold.
You know what to do, guys. Don't fuck it up.
Yeah, don't fuck it up like
Alright, southeast across the bridge, 5 screens away.
Yeah. We hold SE. We choke.
They're going back now. They're going back from choke.
Yeah. Don't scout DPS. Do not scout. Stay behind.
Gemini, just go back.
all DPS.
Aftermath walking
Unless
up.
Kenji say.
Yeah, I know. I'll report.
Aftermath.
Aftermath coming towards bridge, half screen, one screen.
Walking SW. Regroup to
They come back.
Okay.
Come back, D-tanks, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
It's important to hold banner.
D-tanks spread north and south, north and south. East side tanks go north,
They're
west
still
side tanks go
fighting. They're
south.
still fighting with allies. They're busy. They're busy.
Just hold it. I don't care, just hold it. Yeah.
I'm going north.
Go out later.
Go out. Please don't die. Don't die.
Yeah,
Remember, we are here to defend.
Objective to defend, boys.
FBI objective first.
Oh my god, what's our...
You know the condition, right?
This is the second time.
Disband.
Hit yung BS mo. Sige lang, boy.
They lose ground.
Blob northwest, blob northwest, blob northwest.
Hold it with your light.
New block northwest. I'm gonna go check.
Alright, looking.
Seconds, 40 seconds, guys. Let's move.
17. Mag-cluster.
Someone gonna watch that blood? Comic boss.
I'm going.
30 seconds.
20 now.
Ba't ang tagal?
I'm checking northwest block. Northwest block.
30 seconds. Tayo. Still fighting on south. They're on the south choke.
Chikipi, 30 DA. Chikipi, southwest across the bridge.
10 seconds. Patience.
5 seconds.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. One more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hey, Chikipi, southwest across the bridge.
Punta. Come.
They're on the west side. Near the door, Pinchy. Near the door. They're fighting. Allies or in the southeast.
Come.
Please don't die.
No one
It's here. This is the back line. This is the back line right here.
Yo, green color is the shaper bomb on green.
Pay attention.
Yo, it's Vinci, east side, GA bomb.
Find me, hard south. Ready, bomb squad inside, looking east side. Hug the wall, east side, east 3.
Two screen away, Pinchy.
Now drop
They're
everything
fighting.
to
They're
southwest.
choked on the south
CD.
Look southwest.
On you now. Two screen away.
Southwest just engage. I don't know how many engages.
West.
Find the crown on the west.
No, that's them. That's all them.
CD.
Southeast looking, careful.
Wait.
East side looking.
NW. Chill here.
East side wrapping us.
NW, go west.
Yo, drop everything, slow them down.
All right, that's all right, ha.
Yep. Go low. Come, follow crown.
Jason, NW.
All right, southeast mo.
Chase him, CD. CD. 3, 2, defend. 3, 2. All right, what the fuck? Okay. Come on,
Bro, this is just happy day.
CD.
Southeast, all right. Looking south.
I watch happy day. Everyone else watch east and southeast.
Southeast walking. CD now.
Southeast now. Look north.
All right, north of you.
I'm looking north.
Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it.
Nice, guys.
Nice. Come west side. NW.
Careful.
Bomb squad south.
NW.
Yo, look at the blue shield. Look at the blue shield. He's the inv bomb. Blue shield inv bomb on the southwest.
Hard. NW, hard NW. NW, guys. NW.
Push up.
Bam.
Hold. NW more.
Ayun na, nakahilog.
Just QW this guy. QW this shaper. Nice. Holding. Yeah. Holding.
Shitters on your northeast.
Yeah, I see that.
Black.
See that?
Southeast.
That's black.
Ready, 3, 2, 1. I don't have any.
Go southeast.
Just roll them. Yeah. Okay. Come south. Where's Cripsy? Oh, it's here. Hold on. Where's the fight now? What's happening?
Pinchy, 6 minutes. OC break.
Yeah. Wait. What's happening, bro? Where's everyone?
Northwest, northwest. Yeah, go northwest.
Jerry, probably.
Come northwest.
The HO for sure.
Yo, if you can't see the crown mount up, look for it.
Yeah, running.
John Wick, mount up. John Wick, mount up. Mount up. Mount up.
Mount up, mount up, mount up.
We're
Aftermath,
behind.
W, eh? Aftermath, W.
Mount up, find me, find me.
Oh, they hit.
Fighting here, fighting
No,
here,
they're hitting
fighting
west.
here.
Some people got caught. Some people got caught on the west. Bang, can you? Oh,
All rise, that's all rise, ah.
How Rouge and you find me.
Bang, run.
Find me.
59.
Rose, run. So, just run. East. Walk east. Walk east, motherfucker.
Aftermath.
What?
You good, yeah?
What the fuck?
Oh, they got caught, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yo, we just lost Abby for no reason.
Sabi.
There's aftermath
What the
west
fuck?
side mo, ah. This is
Aftermath mounting up on ping.
Where's Ally? I cannot find them.
Ali, see you, Ali, see here, Ali, see you.
Near the what? Terry?
Here.
Ally on ping.
Okay.
On ping.
Here's the ally, man.
Okay, I'm here. Dismount.
Oh, they-
Just wait, don't double us yet. Walking west.
I don't see them.
Yeah.
At east.
I think they will
East
go
side.
going
SE. Mount up.
It's a
Regroup is on their hideout, just holding mounted 3 DA.
regroup here.
So many people dying one by one. The guys that die one by one, getting picked off, no rigor. I know who you are.
It's me. I don't know what they're doing.
I got no idea.
Regroup.
Nasaan sila, boy? Sa HO?
HO, yeah. There's something.
Sige lang.
They're gonna transport out probably.
All rise mounted on the northeast 29 DA.
Okay.
They're getting home for sure. No, they're
Oh,
not.
that's so big, bro. That's all rice.
Yeah.
48 laps.
Okay.
Same DA lang, mas maliit yung all.
Another block.
I think still regearing or something.
We have
Still here, level 33 already, ah.
Okay. Double.
May content ka?
Just in case.
Mga atak-patak.
Double loss.
33 eh. Nasa north side mo. Grouping, north
Just in
side.
case.
Anyone? Any food?
I think last May has some country omelette. If you want. Can put
Flash
up.
here?
They go north.
I think they're
They keep mass though.
I think they leaving.
our gate is destroyed.
My gate restore. Just wait.
Daddy,